tell you guys, let me educate some of you guys about how you can organize yourself financially, you understand? So that at the end of the day, you won't be running out of cash. You won't be, keeping yourself stranded. Because see what keeps us going. How you can manage your finances, okay? Because I can see a lot of people are struggling to meet up their daily needs. Daily needs like house rent, shelter, bills, now, bills, feeding and all that stuff. See, whatever thing you are doing, if you don't plan yourself, no cash flow, daily cash flow, things you do on daily basis that give you money, no matter how small it is. Could be 50 ringgit, could be 10 ringgit. At least those things you use to pay bills. You need to buy food, you need to pay rent, you need to pay your utilities. All those things, it's very, very important. Whatever thing you are doing in life, once you have some amount of cash, you use them, invest them very well. You understand? You can look for something that you invest. You can even, there's so many things. One thing about us is that you don't make a proper research. You have some amount of money, you don't carry all of them, boom, you go stock them inside bank, you don't go buy land, you don't start to the build house. Along the line, the money will finish. And you don't even have a stable income. You understand? Something that gives you money monthly, daily, to finance your lifestyle, like food, whatever thing. Your daily expenses, you don't have it. You will arrange some good cash of money. Don't carry and go buy land for bongo. Don't carry and go begin project. The chakashalani again, they find where you won't go thief another one to finish the project. Because he give person money to keep for you. Before you know it, everywhere don't block. Then you go one day stagnant. You can't even feed yourself. Even though those land you don't even go buy for Nigeria, you go to look for who to buy and nobody to even buy it. Because nobody get money now. Many people don't even get money like that. A lot of people now are looking for how to sell their property. You understand? Even people where they japa, where they go abroad. So many people now want to sell their properties to travel, and nobody is even buying them. You understand? A lot of people don't even have money to start buying those properties. And the amount you pay buy that property that time and now, dollar day, sometimes I don't even know how much dollar been at, where naira been at, but naira before every time. If you convert the amount you take buy those property that time, sell and now, you know what to you gonna feel say maybe something you buy like 5 million naira a few years back, and you are selling it like 15 million naira, and I say you don't make any profit. There's no profit. I'm telling you, compare the amount you take by at that time and now you gonna say you don't even make any profit. So instead of you, which is still look good though, because some of you don't know how to manage money. If you keep that money somewhere, you just be using it. So but it's better you just do something that will be giving you money. You understand? Invest on something that will be giving you money monthly. You still have your capital there, but you just be using your profits to be sustaining your life, feeding yourself, paying your bills. You understand? Don't go into project you don't have at least 80% of money that we use to finish it. You get more money, God help you. One thing happen, you get more money, you don't run go start one new project. You come back again. Now you muscle. I want to take my native another money to go finish that project. In the process of looking for somewhere to give again, everywhere go come block. 5 years, you never even finish the project. Even to feed for we are not. In fact, some of you don't just get sense, honestly. A lot of you don't just get sense. So it's time you start to the think. You understand? If you have that money, you are not sure what you are going to do with the money, just find a way. If you even use and go buy shares, you don't know anything. Most of you people don't even make research. If you can use it to buy shares, invest it properly, something that will be giving you returns. You understand? You can even open a fixed deposit, and that will be yielding you profits while your capital is still here. Anytime you want to take it out, you can also take it out. You understand? If you're not sure of any, how to invest your money, you just drink water and chill. Ask people. There are some people that can advise you financially. But you see somebody running out of cash, you know, can't get cash. But the answer say, I get property, I get landed property. Some of you, the landed property will not get safe, even water anything. Now inside bush. I get this, I get that. But it will come out. You can't even feed yourself. Hunger will buy you. Is that life? I wonder how some of you cope, because if I'm my kind of person, I go depressed like tomorrow no day. When you reach, say I no can get 1 naira to defeat myself, I know if you pay my bills. I will come, they ask people, they beg people how to pay bills. Then you say wahala too. Then you go come to carry yourself frustration. When they frustrate us when they find our daily bread every day. They look for our daily bread every day. One come carry and come go they find credit from our hands. Make we come be like you. Make all of us come remain the same. You know go work for you, me I no give back you. Because this time around, I will bring out food. In fact, he will even ask what they worry this one say. Because another spirit now won't enter my head. I can't let you people to drag me to the mud. Make all of us come the road for more together. No way, because I know what it takes me to get to this point. And I know where I'm going. So I will not let anybody to drag me down. Better think twice. Now everything not turn upside down. Some of you are not even getting it. Instead of you to think on something you can do, business you can do, a lot of things you can do here. Go climb, go see people where they do business, where they buy, they send to Nigeria. But you guys have una those days, una brains is so blocked. You only gossip. Gossip about woman. How you take nag this one, how you take nag this one, how this one be, how this one be. Now what you not they good at nothing else. Use their brain wisely for where sense you no get. I've been in this country now for years, and I can tell you that I know people that we are doing well that time. Although good them will be see if they come out like this, everybody go they bow for them. Ask me where they now. Some of them no fee eat. Some of them no fee eat. I get them before no be property. Some of them now they can't even eat. Things don't change. The more we are going, the more new technology, the more something you know yesterday. The young ones that is growing up, go bring another method again. We go come out that one way you know. Long time ago, again when this everywhere they boom like this, like pepper soup, money everywhere. But now it don't tough, it don't hard. So use your brain wisely. Start to rethink, re-strategize. You understand? Learn new things. Go learn handwork. Go learn business. And if you cannot make use of your certificates, you understand me? I'm a master's degree holder, but if you ask me now, go do job hunting, do all that. I go find them difficult, but you see, I love what I do very well because I like answering my own order. I wake up, I do whatever thing I like, anytime, any day. You understand? Without being answered to anybody, without somebody commanding me around. We are the CEOs of our life. Now we can employ people who work under us. Yes, that is how we are built. So, but unfortunately, some of you are not like us. So it's better you go learn something, learn how to survive with your life. If you have a degree, if you have certificate, you better find something to do with your life. If God bless you, you have that money, invest it very, very well. Because honor the one, you know the last. Make I continue cooking my food. I will see you guys.